Connect, control, and optimize your grain cart harvest operation with OMNiDRIVE from Raven. OMNiDRIVE will help you achieve greater consistency and higher efficiency as you monitor and operate a driverless tractor from the cab of your harvester. Dealer-supported installation makes adding OMNiDRIVE a smooth process. Its intuitive tablet-based interface is easy to use and keeps all of your critical functions one tap away, such as calling your tractor for a sync. Harvesting with OMNiDRIVE starts with creating your field boundaries and starting your new operation. Commanding your tractor to a stage point or calling for a harvester and grain cart sync can be as simple as touching a button. OMNiDRIVE will navigate safely around mapped obstacles while taking the shortest, most efficient path to your combine. Once the driverless tractor with grain cart locks into sync with your harvester, you can readjust the tractor's placement while continuing to maintain lock-in speed and distance from your harvester. With OMNiDRIVE, you'll have seamless control over your tractor's sync and staging, all from the cab of your harvester, without having to rely on radios, phones, or hand signals that were necessary to communicate with another operator. OMNiDRIVE's automated synchronization keeps your grain cart in step with your harvester from start to finish, reducing your grain loss. At the same time, Raven's industry-leading perception system uses camera and radar technology to keep people, animals, unharvested crops, and equipment safe from harm. When you're ready to unload your grain cart, one more touch of a button will send your full grain cart to your predetermined unload point, all without the aid of a second driver, allowing your team to focus on critical fall maintenance and tillage. When your team is ready to unload grain, they can manually re-engage the tractor using OMNiDRIVE's bypass feature. After offloading grain, your combine operator can safely send the driverless tractor back to its stage point to await its next command. Take control and optimize your harvesting operation with OMNiDRIVE. For more information, talk to your Raven representative.